Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix the server is busy error in DeepSeek. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your DeepSeek app, and instead we're going to actually open up our settings app on our phone. And in here just scroll down until you can see where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see we should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down, and then you're going to click on storage in here. And in here you're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And sometimes unfortunately it can take a couple of like maybe up to minutes to be able to actually load this page, depending on how much memory that you currently use on your phone, just so you know. But when it's done, we're going to now click on the blue search symbol in the top right corner. So click on this one, and then I just search for DeepSeek myself, and then I clicked on upload app. I once again clicked on upload app, and here I just waited a couple of seconds and I clicked on the blue button here again. So basically now what I did is that I waited for my DeepSeek app to completely load, as you can see, to the newest version, and then I went back into my app, and now it was working for me. Before I kept getting like the server is busy error constantly. I did this, I went back, and it worked for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.